So today we are going to discuss about this topic about the character development and character animation walk cycle. So this class is going to divide it into 2 to 3 sections. First of all, we are going to understand how to do the character animation and the walk cycle. Then we are going to work on the movement, how the character will move. Then we will work further on. So that the thing we are going to discuss. So don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Now let's begin. So now, moving forward, I think everyone is having the character with you, right? So today we are going to start with the normal character motions, how you are going to animate your character, how you are going to create your character animations, right? So inside this, we are going to discuss about your walk cycle, how the character move their leg, how the hand movement will be there. So these things we are going to discuss in upcoming days and next classes, and in the upcoming days is we are going to learn about these things. Okay, as I told you, right, we already have the characters. So to set my project, don't save file, set project. Okay, I forget to copy my location. So where it is located, main material. Now from here I am going to open my character once again. For now I will remove everything whatever I have. We will figure it out, the character class and everything later on, not for today. Okay, now just check this out. Guys, just watch it here. We are having this character, right? Now we are going to animate this character. Just give me 1 minute, let me show you something. If I'm talking about this walk cycle, if you will notice, the person is going like this: first contraction, then down, pass pose, up and down. So this is the pose where most of the character is going to work like this. But if you will notice, every character is having different way of walking. Fat character will walk different way, character will walk different way. Have you seen that Mickey Mouse, right? Mickey Mouse walking cycle is in the different way. So every person is having the different way of moving. Even girls is having different walk cycle, boys is having different walk cycle. Okay, so according to that, you need to analyze how the character is moving, right? So first of all, let's understand how to set our character in pose, right? So what we have here, just make it 24 keyframes for the starting, and this one also 24, right? Now if you will notice, I am going to start from 0 to 24. Okay, now very basic, you can say in this class we are going to learn very basic walk cycle, nothing more than that. Okay, now what we have, we need to activate our controllers. So I will select this one. Over here you will see in the right hand side panel in the layer editor, you are having girls pose, everything is there. So I am going to change this one to boy, and this one you can take it anything for now. And I need to activate my controllers. So we are having face sliders, face controllers and body controllers. So I am going to make it, turn it on, this body controller. Now you will see we are having lots of controller over here. Now first of all, what you need to do, see, first leg you need to select, okay, and make it forward. Okay, now second leg you need to select and make it backward. So this will be your first frame. Okay, now once your character is set like this, you need to select all the characters together. First frame you need to press S. Can you see this S keyframe is activated? Now just go to the last keyframe of 24 and make it S again. don't make any changes. So what will happen, whenever I'm going to select every part is getting activated with the animation keyframes. Even if I will move the hand, so it will be end on the 24th frame, right? That's why I selected all of them. Now I will select this first leg. Now you will see you are having something like this. So you need to find this movement first. Okay, so only the this is all about your placement, and if you are getting this movement, then only you will get a proper flow of the character, otherwise it will not looks correct. Only two keyframes I added and I will get this movement. So first, the first baby step is this one. Okay, now once you are having this movement, what you need to do, see, today only we are going to check with the legs, nothing more than that. Slowly we will move. Okay, now let's say, as I told you, if you will select this one, you are having lots of option. If I will show you here, heel pivot, okay, ball pivot, we are having toe pivot, we are having foot pivot, okay, even we are having ball pivot like this, and we are having toe pivot like this. Okay, so now the basic key animation I already done it. Now what I need to do, I need to do in between the key framings. Like if the character is moving like this, again what will happen, it will move the leg little bit up. If you will notice how the character movement is there normally, right? So what I will do, I will select this one. In between I am going to add the keyframe. So first frame I will make it like this. So here on the fifth frame, I will play around with this foot roll somewhere like this. Okay, I will press S on my keyboard. Now you are having something like this. Okay, see, from here it is coming like this. Now again what I need to do, from here it is going like this. Then once the character will come forward, it will move, not this one, toe foot roll, press S, again it will go like this, and from 20 frame you can make the thing like again somewhere like this, or if you want to rotate it you can do that. So I will make it 0 for now, press S. So you are having something like this. Okay, now you can refine more if you want. Right now what I have done, I only done with the one leg. Right now you will see we are having, you are getting something like this. Okay, now we are going to make it with the second leg, same. So first frame I don't want to add anything, but the thing is foot roll will be somewhere like this. Okay, so moving forward till here, foot roll, press S on your keyboard. Now once it will move, make your character little bit up like this. On 2 or 3 frame I will move my character little bit up, so it will come like this, then it will go like this. So in between what I will do, I will select this leg once again and I will foot roll off little bit like this, then moving forward, then again it will come like this. On 15th frame, foot roll I will make it like this, press S on your keyboard. Now again it will go like this. So you are having something like this. Okay, now I need to bend this leg as well little bit, so I will select this one. At what position you want to bend? From here it is going like this, again it is coming like this, so I will make it little bit more bend like this. Press S, and ball roll we are going to make it toe roll somewhere like this. Now check. If you want to make more refine, you can do that. So in this frame, from here to here, I will make it little bit more up, and press S. In this section, I will try to make it more like this. Press S. So you are having something like this. Okay, easy. See, this is the movement basically you need to follow. And if you want to refine little bit more, just analyze the person, how the person is moving. Like how much you refine the movement, you will get the idea how to animate it. Okay. Now, once you are having this character, what you can do on the first frame, I will make the character, this is my big ring. I will select this whole character and I will make it little bit down. This one, somewhere like this. On the first frame, I will select it like this, and in the end frame, it is going like this. So first frame and last frame will be same. Okay. Now you are having something like this. See, my leg movement is little fast. If you want to slow it down, you can increase your animation keyframes, and in between you can add your animation keyframes distance. Okay. Now, what I need to do, let's say my character is going left or right. So what I will do, I will select this one, press the rotation key, and I will do it something like this. So first frame, I don't want to add anything. Moving forward, once the first leg is coming somewhere here, I will make it tilt little bit. Press S on your keyboard, right? Now again, coming back to the normal, and once again, once the character is going, this part, I will make the tilt like this. So you are having something like this. Now can you see the character is getting, try to balance it, right? Now if I am going to create one cube like this, press R, make it like this, or better to create one cylinder, that looks more good. Just go to the front view and make sure to be on first frame, make it to the wireframe from here, and adjust. So if you will notice, my character is trying to balance. Okay. Now I want to add some eyes expressions as well. What is happening? My character is looking very straight. It's look very robotic, right? So we are going to add some movement, more movement in it. Give me 1 minute. Now what we have here, we already checked this out. Now uh, let's select this big one, okay? And this time I'm going to activate the face slider. Now we have the control of the eyes and everything. So first frame, I will turn on mouth open, and so this character is having something like this. Again the mouth will become open, and then after, in the last frame, you can make it normal. So you are having something like this. Now if you want to show more realism, so according to that you can show it. Like, see, my character is working like this. Face control, I am going to turn it on. So I can make sure to make the, where I can play with the eyebrows. So first section I'm not making anything, but moving forward here I can make it down little bit, like he's getting scared. Now again from here I will add some more movement in the eyebrow. Now just I'm just adding the random thing. Now you can add it like this. So he is little conscious. Okay. Now if you want to show this one, that he is on the height, so what I am going to do, I will press E, press J, press W, keep your character here like this, shift and make the copy. But if you will notice, my character is moving in one place. In the upcoming classes, I will tell you how to move your character in the loop. Right now, he is standing and moving here and there. So, in the upcoming classes, I will tell you how to make the movement, how to make your character move. Okay, now I have, let me hide everything of this character. Visibility, body control off. Now we are having something like this. Why this is happening? Okay, I hope you got the point how the character will move. If you are having any problem, questions, if you are not getting the points, tell me, I will repeat it once again. No problem? Okay, so try to make this character movement. Then after slowly we will move with the hand movements as well. By the next class, we are going to study how to control on the hand. Okay, and then after, a whole character will move. Then after, you are going to create one movie, 20-second, 30-second movie. Okay.